it's Kim here. Just want to come in for just a quick second to show you what I got in my pharmacy shipment today. Just a small shipment, but good things come in small packages. So I just wanted to show you what's in today's package. So we'll open this up. And today I got the brand new 2 VFX Pro CC creams that balances out the redness, the green that balances out the redness, and we just introduced those the other day. And then there's also the VFX Pro CC cream that brightens the skin, which is the lavender purple. So I got one of each. And I got one of each because not only do I need to brighten my skin in some areas, but I definitely have the redness that I need to get out, like my chin and my cheeks is where all the redness is. Now today's a light makeup day for me. I didn't really put on much makeup at all today because I wasn't really going anywhere, and I haven't felt the best today, so I just decided not to put any makeup on. And I spend a lot of time crying over my little dog Maddie since she's sick, so I just don't put as much makeup on right now, so since I'll be crying it all off, so I just don't put as much on. Let's see what else is in this box. Aha. I got some new blush, and this is the Tender Blush. What color is this? Pink Lily, I believe is what this is. Pink Lily. I love this color. So I'm excited about using this one because this is a really pretty color, and this is more a little bit lighter for me, which sometimes I like, especially in the summer. So I'm excited about this one. Then I also have my new lip pencil, and let's see which number this is. This is number 204, the number 204 lip pencil. Let's see what color that is. I don't know if you can tell what color that is or not. That's also a lighter, like the Pink Lily. This is also a light, kind of a pinkish color. Not too pink though, not too bright. But I wanted something a little bit different because I have a lot of darker colors. So I wanted to get something lighter, so I got a more of a pinkish color. So I'm excited about that. But anyway, that's all I got in today's shipment was my lip pencil and my blush and my 2 CC color corrector creams. And what I'll do with these is I'll put these on. I'll put the one on the spots I need to brighten and the other on the red spots that I have. And then I will put on my foundation. Well, what I'll do is I'll probably put on my primer first, my VFX Pro primer first, and then I'll put on these in the places they belong, like for redness, the green for redness and the lavender for areas I want to brighten. So I'll put these on after that, and then I'll put my foundation on. So I'm excited about using those, but when I use those, I'll come to you and show you how you use them and how that works and how it looks and everything. But I just wanted to stop in real quick today and say hello and show you what I got in my little box today from Farmasi. So I hope everyone is having a great day, and thank you for watching, and I hope you will click the bell and subscribe. Can't talk today. And I hope you will like my video, and I hope you'll stick around for future videos. Thanks for watching. I love you. Mwah.